Hi and welcome. My name is Shazana and I will teach you data science in English. I have done my graduation in computer science, and this 4-year academic journey I have developed expertise in data science domain. I also speak Pashto and Urdu, which can make learning easier for those who want additional explanation in their native language. So if you are a beginner who does not know where to start, or a university student struggling with data science concept, or a professional looking to transition into a data science career, then you are in the right place, because my lessons are designed to help you build strong foundation, develop practical skills, and gain confidence to solve real world problems, not just memorize theory. So as a data science tutor, I'll guide you through every step of your learning journey. We will start from the fundamentals, including Python programming, probability and statistics, and the mathematics that form the foundation of data science. From there, we will learn how to collect, clean, analyze, visualize, and transform data using tools such as Pandas, Matplotlib, NumPy, and SQL. So once you will have built the strong foundation, then we will learn the machine learning. From there, we will learn the concept like supervised and unsupervised learning, model evaluation, and model improvement through the tools like scikit-learn library. After learning these, we will also move toward the exploratory data analysis and the time series analysis to solve the real world data problem through hands-on project and practical example. Now, if your goal is to pass exam, build a new project, or starting a career in data science, then I'll guide you there step by step. Thank you so much and looking forward to learn with you. See you in class.